ARGANLife Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo. Have you ever heard of this shampoo? As a doctor in my clinic, I'm suggesting to all of my patients ARGANLife Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo because ARGANLife Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo contains organic cold-pressed argan oil, which is absolutely the key material to stop hair loss, both in men and women. Additionally, this oil is proven by the FDA, and there's so many articles about how effective this wonderful oil is for your hair. If you use ARGANLife shampoo, within just a few weeks you'll notice your hair loss stops and new hair regrows without falling out. And there's absolutely no sulfate, paraben, or sodium. These elements damage the structure of your hair and make your hair thinner. But ARGANLife Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo is totally chemical-free hair repair shampoo. To buy ARGANLife shampoo, please visit ARGANLifeProducts.com for more information.